Hi guys, today we're back to our channel. So today we're here going to teach you guys what is fraction. So now we're going to start. Let me press this and let's go. So this pie is been cut to two parts. It's not equal, so I'm going to press the no button since it's not one of two, or it's not half at all, because one is more. And done. Now, which rectangle is powerful is so A is not, because it's 1 of 5. B is 1 of 4. C also 1 of 4. But D isn't 1 of 4. So let me just press that. Wait, no. Let me just delete the A and double check the D. No. I think no. And that's precious. Yes. Which figure are divided into equal parts? I think, as you could see, A is not. C, that's one part that's more than the other. And these just two rectangles and four triangles. So I think it's going to be B. I guess because it's 5 equal parts. So I'm going to press B, and yes, I was right. This cookie is cut into 3 pieces. It's not 1 of 3 because the left upper piece is less than the other 2. So the answer is no. Let me double check a bit. Yes, it's no. Yes, I was right. Which rectangle have 1 of 3 is definitely A, B, and C, but D isn't, because D, well, let me just go back. This circle in the A is divided to 2 equal semicircles. B is 2 because it's divided to 5 equal parts. C isn't because that's a bigger and a smaller. While D, it isn't. So I'm going to check yes. This pizza is cut into 8 equal pieces. Each pizza is equal 1 of 8. I don't think so, because it don't look like 1 of 8 at all. I'm press no, and let me just check that. Yes, I was right. And I did awesome. I level up too. Now next we're going to teach you about the identified unit about fractions. Alright, let's go. Which figures 1 of 8 of it appreciated? As you could see, A is 1 of 6, B is 1 of 4, but C is. So now I'm going to press C real quick. Yes. Now next, what fraction is of the pizza is 1 piece? So that's 8. So that's 6 pieces, but they are asking for 1. So it's have to be 1 of 6. Check, yes, I was correct. Now next, Minjan is painting 3 equal sizes section of his canvas. So far he have painted 1 section. There are 3 sections that he have to paint, but he only paint 1, meaning he already painted 1 out of 3. Let's see if it's correct. And yes, it's correct. What fraction of the area of the shape is shaded? As you can see, it's there are 8 equal parts in this, but there's only 1 shaded, meaning it have to be 1 out of 8. Let me just type that real quick. 1 out of 8. Yes, I was correct. Which figure has 1/6 of its area shaded? It's not A, it's 1 of 3. B is 1 of 8. It must be C, because it's 1 of 6. So let me just press that real quick and check, and yes. What fraction of the pie is 1 piece? That choose one answer. Is definitely 1 of 3. Let me just, because there's one piece in all three. In all three of the pieces, I was right. When a diner plate divided into 3 equal sections, well, I put all her broccoli in one section. What's the fraction of the broccoli? As you can see, it's 1 of 3. She put 1 in all the 3, so it's going to be 1 out of 3. I was correct, and I did really good. The next week I'm going to explain you more about this. Let me just expand this real quick. So guys, let me just check this real quick. So 1 of 2, as you could see, the top number is called number real, which is represents how many parts you have in the whole thing. So I'm going to write that real quick. Give me a second. Oh, how many too? Because you could have more than 1 part. And the bottom one is called decimal really something, which is represents how in all of the parts in total, in all the parts in the totals, how many you have in totals. Let me just write that in totals. How much? Give me a second. Is that? So yeah, guys. Now this is called a proper fraction. But I'll show you an example about an improper fraction. Just give me a second. Erase the entry. As you can see, it's an improper because it's more than 1. And normally fraction have to be less than 1, but it's more than 1. As you can see, it's 1.5. As you can see in the picture. Now this is a proper fraction. This is called a whole. A whole because you got 2 of 2, and as you can see in 3 of 2, this is an improper fraction because the number real is more than the decimillion something, which is 1 half. This is a mixed number of a whole number and a fraction number. That's why it's called mixed number. Let me just erase that real quick. And it could be more than just anything. It's 1 of 5, 4 of 20. So as you can see, if we ask, is this equal or not? It's equal because it's called something called simplify. If you multiply both or divide both, it will always equal to the number. As you can see, this number we could divide it 5 and 25 by 5, making it 1 of 5. While 4, we just divide by 4 and got 1 of 5. So 1 of 5 is equal to 1 of 5 equal to 1 of 5. Simple as that. Let me just erase this real quick. So if you guys, give me a second. Let me just erase this. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. Let me just give me a second. Like button. Also, please subscribe to Crystal FN, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.